The Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, Francisco Monteiro, along with a delegation from Woodside Energy, conducted an official visit to Covalima to observe infrastructure preparations for the Tasi Mane project. During the visit, Minister Monteiro and the Woodside team carried out several activities, starting with the tour of the Commander-in-Chief Kairala Shanana Guzmang Airport. They also inspected the construction of houses for communities affected by both the airport development and the Hobelis airport expansion. The delegation then continued to Fatuisin village in Suku Kamnasa, where they were warmly welcomed with traditional cultural rites before heading to the Haimolin traditional house. Woodside's visit aimed to directly assess infrastructure readiness and hear community concerns firsthand. Executive Vice President of Technical Energy Development, Julie Fallon, emphasized the importance of listening directly from local voices beyond official briefings.
Inviting us into this very special and sacred house, it's a true honour that none of the Woodside team will ever forget. First time that Woodside has ever brought a party to the South Coast and to Suai, and including both senior people such as myself, but also technical people who can help to work to forward Sunrise as a development. Woodside, we look forward to collaborating with the Ministry, with Timor-Leste as our joint venture partner.
The visit also aligns with the government's broader industrialization plans, including the development of the Suai supply base as part of the Greater Sunrise Field strategy. To conclude the trip, the Woodside team visited key facilities at Suai Referral Hospital. The government and Woodside's collaboration continues as Timor-Leste moves forward with strategic infrastructure linked to national oil and gas development.